Hi, my name is Taylor and I'm with Valleyscape Irrigation and Outdoor Lighting. If you're watching this video, you probably want to know what it's going to cost to replace one of these sprinkler valves. It's leaking or you need replaced on your property. Well, it's my goal today to explain what's involved in that, what you can expect, and then what you're going to pay for it. So to begin with, we do things just a little differently. A lot of contractors will just replace bits and pieces of these valves. It's not a good idea to do that because the other parts are going to wear out as well. So we actually, it's our policy to replace the whole thing, including the riser pipes coming up out of the ground. Oftentimes we find that these are white pipe and that's not appropriate for above ground. It's not really good in the sun. It will start to break down pretty quickly. So when we replace a valve, we put new riser pipes and we use this Schedule 80 pipe. It's heavy duty plastic that can take twice the water pressure, but more importantly is it can hold up to the sun and the elements much better than that white pipe. So that will be included. We include the new valve and we also include a 3-year warranty on it. So if you have problems, we got your back. Now the pricing goes like this. So if you just replace one, it's $200. If you replace two, it's an additional $200. Once you hit the third valve, that's where you start to see some savings. You'll save $25, so it'll be $575, and then up from there you will continue to save money the more you do. So the only thing that you need to know about as well that can change things a little bit is this piece. This is a drip system filter regulator. If you have a drip system, this is mandatory to have on the drip system. Filters the water, keeps those contaminants out, but also keeps the water pressure down so that it's not blowing emitters out and blowing the drip tubing apart. So this would have to be included if we find that it's a drip system valve. So just so you know, there would be a little bit additional cost with this. It's usually $50 to $75 per valve that needs one of these guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you today. And if you need any further questions answered, please feel free to call us or message us. And if you want to get an accurate pricing of your property without having us come out, you can always send us pictures and we'd be more than happy to talk to you about that on the phone. Thank you for watching.